So this video series is going to take you through what I like to call the ultimate warm-up. It's a warm-up that works on increasing blood circulation, it works on stimulating muscles, connective tissue, ligaments, bones, and also regulating your nervous system. There's so many benefits to exercise. Exercise helps with depression, it improves sleep, it helps with bone density, it makes you stronger, it balances your cardiovascular system. With all those benefits though, people still don't exercise for whatever reason, for chronic pain condition, it hurts when they exercise, or they just don't know where to start. This is by far the best series of exercises that I've found. They are easy, but they're extremely effective. So we're going to start out with shaking exercises, and then patting and rubbing exercises, connective tissue stretching, and then we will do some strengthening of our hips and shoulders, and then lastly we'll talk about breath holding and hydrotherapy.